My name is Devina Khan. I'm a computer science teacher at Bethel High School. My students here in this computer science essentials class, they're training for these self-driving vehicles that we have. They're little robotic vehicles that you program. So they're learning how to do the basic setup and how to write the code for basic movement, how to download the code, how to troubleshoot. What's happening is there's a student who has become the master trainer. He's very good with coding and understands these vehicles. What he has done is he has trained a few other students, and those students are now training other students.
I'm mainly working on helping others while they figure out the coding to do basic pathing.
It's been different to have a student as a teacher because I've never done something like this before. It's new to me. It's been fun though. I didn't know it'd be fun to teach people, but it can be. Well, the most challenging part for me was having to repeat the same stuff over and over so I could get the right numbers for it.
What is beautiful about all of this is I can just watch students becoming teachers. And it's probably the most fulfilling part of my job because you really know how well you've learned if you know how to teach it.